Do you have any question with that? Anyone from today's practice? Yes, Suchiji.
Sir,
So, so I
yeah,
just want to announce that we are done with the class. Now only people, if you want to stay back for the question answer, you can. Otherwise, if you have any work to do, you can leave.
okay. Sir, one question which I read somewhere, that Pitta, Vata and Kapha are dominant as per the ages. जब आप infant होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, तब पित्त, Kapha is more dominant. When you grow older, Vata is more dominant. And when you're adult, 30s, 40s or 20s, after 20s, your
Pith is
um,
more dominant. Pith.
Pitta is more dominant. Yeah,
Yeah.
Pitta is more dominant.
Yes.
So is it true?
It is
I just
true.
wanted to.
It is true, definitely, because it is their function. It is their function.
Okay.
They are not bad elements. We have to understand. They are not
Yeah,
bad
yeah, they are.
elements, right? They
Yeah.
are not bad elements. They are good elements. But the only thing is we need them in balance.
Balance.
Only thing is we
So,
need in balance.
so when the kapha is more dominant, you feel more sleepy, you feel more tired. Is that
Okay, that is imbalance. That is
okay?
imbalance. That is imbalance. Like you just said, that in kids, kapha is more dominant. For what
Yes, yes.
reason? For what reason? Because they want nourishment. Kapha is nourishment.
Okay.
Kapha is made up of water and earth element. So earth and water, what they do? Nourishing. They are
Nourish.
nourishing, right? It is more nourishing in nature, right? So more nourishing in nature so that you can get more nourishment. But then they are heavy also, isn't it? Heavy means you feel more lethargy at the same time.
Lethargy. So
At the
they
same,
sleep.
they
So the
sleep.
so
Yeah.
बच्चे ज़्यादा सोते हैं ना, they sleep
Yes.
for like 20,
Yes.
18, 20 hours a night.
Yes.
Fine, but this was only.
Right.
So kapha
Similarly,
doesn't mean cough, right?
no, no,
Doesn't mean
no,
cough.
no, 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 not that.
सर ये थोड़ा मिक्स भी हो सकता है ना, कफ एंड, क्योंकि मेरा बेटा है वो ही 17 एक्चुअली, और वो सुबह सुबह स्नीजिंग कफिंग करता है, लेकिन कफ
हाँ.
नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत ये है, थीन है, और एट ये भी ज्यादा, हाइट भी ज्यादा, मतलब मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ ऐसे 5'8" समथिंग, 8.5" है वो, मैं 5'2" हूँ, तो मतलब लेकिन इसका पित्त भी है उसको, मतलब एग्रावेट्स होता है जो जब भी वो चीजें खाता है या धूप में जाता है, और सुबह स्नीजिंग भी करता है, तो इन दैट केस उनको ये कपालभाति भस्त्रिका का कैसे करना
थिंग्स आर वर्षा जी, डिस्कस करने के लिए वी कैन जस्ट से दैट वात पित्त और कफ शुड बी बैलेंस्ड, but just by saying that it should be balanced, it is not that easy. Why it is not easy? Because vat, pitta and kaph are also getting aggravated just with the thinking as well. Getting me? Our doshas keeps on changing with the thinking as well, right? So vat, pit, kaph or sat, raj and tam, right? The gunas and the doshas in the body, the doshas and the gunas, they get affected with your physical activity, they get affected with your mental activities. So the moment person is feeling so much of hatredness, jealousy, so much of anxiety, pith will dominate. Pith will dominate, right? If person is feeling so much of lethargy, feeling I don't want to, so much of kapha dominant. That will also lead to that. Okay, so much of arousals, anxiety, kind of hyperness, vata. You can say vice versa. It affect that and that affect this, vice versa. Mind and body through the breath. I discussed yesterday, right? Through the breath, the channel of the breath, mind and body are getting affected with each other. Either the mind is affecting the body or the body is affecting the mind. But mostly what happens, mind affects the body, right? So the gunas and the doshas are getting affected by the mind only. This is why yoga was prescribed, right? Yoga came into existence because of that reason only. So why our gurus have given yoga? They have given yoga for this reason only. And yoga is not philosophy. Yoga is psychology. Okay, yoga is a psychology, Indian psychology. It works at every bit on mind, nowhere else. At every bit of it, they are just focusing on mind. What practice we did today, where we were focusing? Mind, silence of mind. Because when this mind is silent, everything was fine. When this is moving, everything is in trouble. Right? We know that,
Yeah.
right? We know that. So till the time we are into practice and relaxed like this, and all the practices in yoga are developed for this reason only. Now you do kriya, you do bandhas, you do mudras, you do asana, you do pranayama, you do anything just for this. Just for this. That how to make it chit nirodh, how to do the vrittis nirodh. That's it. That is what we are practicing. Right? And that is more important. See, not even only for the spiritual purpose, but for the health purpose also. If you just want to live healthy, then also it is very, very, very necessary. Right? So that can happen. That is just a state of mind thing. As we say, no, right? It is a state of mind. Yeah, everything is state of mind only. Just state of mind. If you right now just say yourself, commit yourself that I will not, that's a state of mind. But why it is not stable there? Because you are taking the result with the mind only. The resolution which mind is taking will never be fulfilled. Breath. Bring the breath. Our yogis have said that. Biggest and biggest intellectuals, if you'll see in the world, they are very unstable. Even if they commit that, okay, I will do this, we will do that. But you have seen that they become unstable very soon. They become angry, they become like that, they will get the success, then they will drop down. Why? Instability is there. Because they are taking the resolution from the mind. You cannot say that they are intellect and they are good. No. Look at them. What is happening with them? Biggest politician, biggest businessman, biggest tycoons, everyone. What is happening with them? Yes, they are becoming successful, but what is happening in the end? They're very unstable. Because mind is playing them. They don't have control of the mind. Yeah, they are using the mind at this capacity, but they do not have any control over them. Why? They cannot have the control over it. Because the only and only way you can control the mind is breath. And this is where yoga helps. Right? So the players, the sports person, those big businessmen also who do yoga or breathing exercises regularly, they stay very controlled. So much in control.
The best example is a cricketer, former cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Yeah, see, look at him.
So we've seen him so many times. Even if he loses, even if he lost, even if he won, he always remained very, very calm.
Very relaxed, isn't it? And that's the way of living a life. Whenever you feel angry on anything, see, I told you that first of all, you should not be feeling that why it is happening with me. First of all, learn that is happening with you because of your karmas. You understand karmas? Z, you understand karmas? We understand karmas. You know karmas, right? Karmas, our doings, right? We get the things according to our karma. We are served our karmas only, right? We are served our karmas only. So whatever is happening around us, whatever we are getting in our life is happening just because of our karmas only. Okay? The family which you have got is your karma. Okay? The friends which you have got is your karma. The job you have got, your karma. Everything is your karma. The things which you're going to get is your karma. All right? So you cannot say, why I'm getting this, why that, why I've got this kind of person in my life, or why I've got this kind of job in my life, why I've got this, why all the problems with me. No, your karma. Your karma. Can you keep two things in your hands like this? Keep two things in your hand, one or two things. Do you have something in your hand there? Copy, pencil, notebook, anything, mobile phone, something do you have? Hold, hold, hold. Yeah, show me, show me, show me, show me. If you just throw them up, if you just throw them up over the head, where they will come back? On your head only, right? They will come back on your head only, right? Isn't it? Right? Or if you will throw it someone else, they will throw it back on you also. Ultimately, it's coming on you also only. Your karma. So if you will throw these things up, now you cannot just pray that they should stay up only. How they will? Gravity is pulling them down. Gravity will pull them down. And when they will pull them, it will pull them down, they will hit your head only. That's your karma. cannot skip karma. If you have thrown it up, you have to take it on you. Now, when they will come back, no one knows, right? Sometimes it comes directly, right away. Sometimes they come later, after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, next life, after 10 lives, who knows? Who knows? But they are our karmas. So, in Shastras or in Bhagavad Gita, it is said that just accept whatever is happening with you because they are your karmas. The more you will start accepting, the more they will keep on going away. And you should be thankful. If it will hit you, done. Thank you. Oh, it is down. No more hitting of this at least now. It is gone. It has hit you. Done. You're done. Right? Because if you will try to escape, it will still hit you. It will follow you. Don't escape. Let it hit you. Let it hit you. Okay? So all the problems in the life are those only. If you get the problems in your life, they are your karmas. Be open. Be open to receive them. Be open to receive because you have made them. You have made them. Receive them. The more you will receive them, the more they will keep on going away. If you will get rid of them, they will follow you. They will follow you. Right? People who suicide, people who run away, what do you think? They escape? No. You cannot escape karma at all. They will come to you again. You cannot escape. You have to go through karma. That's it. Okay? So everything around us in our life, everywhere is happening just because of our karma. So just happily, without any regret, without any emotions, without any sadness, without any anger, accept it and be happy about it. Because they will come. You cannot ignore them. You cannot ignore it at all. At all. The better is the more you will face it right now, it will not be there anymore for you. Simple. Okay? That's the best way. So thank God if you get some problem. Thank you. Thank you. It came and it gone. You cannot always ask for happiness. It will not. Because you have not made those karmas. Always happiness karmas. Okay? So whether it is a happiness karma or the sadness karma, everything will come. The way you have done the work in the previous lives or before, the way you are going to get done. Simple. It is as simple as that. Okay? So there is no point of crying. There is no point of yelling and screaming and making complaints. No use. It is your thing. You have to get rid of it. Simple. Okay? You have to deal with it. Simple. In a simple language. The moment you will learn to live like this, there will be no more pain for you, no more suffering for you, because you will stop getting affected. Simple, right? You'll stop getting affected from it, right? So don't make any logical reasoning here from the intellect. You cannot solve this riddle with the intellect. Only you have to surrender and accept the faith. That is the only key. Okay? So don't use your brain. Your brain have no capacity to understand these things. It is an intellectual thing. It will always work for survival. Hey, pain, pain, pain. It will always work for survival. It will never let you understand the true meaning behind it. So you, which is sitting inside, you have to tell the brain, hey, it's okay. I'm fine. Okay? So this is the training of the mind at every step. At every step. So stop being affected with anything around you. Stop being affected. Cool? Stop.
Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye and see you all tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to work on Bandha's practice. Please come on time so that we don't miss anything. All right, everyone? Sure. Okay, bye.
Sure. Thank you.